these amazing guys at Oscar Mike, and I have to tell you, this is amazing.
Yeah, it's great. We have a lot of great styles that I want to show you today.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Where should we start?
We're gonna walk this way.
Okay, good. Here's what I'm thinking for Oscar Mike. I'm thinking comfortable industrial, like I have tattoos, but I can give you a hug kind of feel.
Great. Well, this Garrett collection is part of our designer looks.
I see.
It's timeless. It's modern.
Ooh,
has lots of comfortable seating.
comfortable.
Very comfortable.
And I like the low arms.
Yeah, the low square arm we think will be perfect for the Oscar Mike house because it's easy to get in and out of.
Do you like how I'm so comfortable?
Yeah, you're just laying. And
by the end, I'm like taking a nap. It's amazing. So the guys in their dining area host the rugby kind of meetings. And what I'm thinking is I need something like this.
Great.
I love the matte black too.
Yes, so we love the Portland dining collection. It's part of our designer looks as well. The solid wood top we love with the live edge detailing, which makes every table one of a kind. And the chair that you're sitting on comes in hunter green.
I know, I rudely sat down as you were talking. I was like, I'm not gonna interrupt, but I'm gonna sit down.
Well, if you feel it, it's super soft to the touch, so it's a velvet fabrication with the metal base detailing that matches the base of the table.
I love it. I think the guys will really love it because they're dudes. They love this kind of wood look. I am so pleasantly surprised by everything, and I'm like, let's see what else I can get.
Okay, let's go. So this is our Henry collection, which is part of our designer looks.
Yay.
We love this group. The headboard is a high quality wood block with an organic finishing, so it's constructed to be super durable and last a long time.
I love all the texture on it because to me that's what softens it and makes it not as formal, and then I just kind of love all the clean lines of it.
Yeah, absolutely. And what you can see here is we have some hidden storage.
Ooh, yay! Now in my house that would be full of junk. Well, and honestly, all of your price points are helping my budget stretch really far, which is amazing.
Yeah, and we believe that everyone should have access to a beautifully styled home without having to break the bank.
I had so much fun shopping at Value City Furniture. The guys at Oscar Mike are gonna love what we picked out, and the accessories are really gonna make the space.